How to trade cryptocurrencies for beginners. Cryptocurrencies for dummies. In a moment I will reveal to you the easiest, most effective way to make money trading cryptocurrencies. But first, how to trade cryptocurrencies for beginners. The way to trade cryptocurrencies would be setting up a wallet, buying some bitcoins with tangible currency, and then exchanging these bitcoins on a cryptocurrency exchange site to the altcoins of choice. The rule of buy low, sell high is the basic formula in trading. It applies to a pattern of cryptocurrencies price that shifts between certain price points. Whatever the size of your capital, you can find a digital currency that matches your needs to trade. Following news on digital currency is very important, and can help direct you to choosing the best cryptocurrency for you. There are two major factors to consider before trading your cryptocurrency of choice. The first is technical analysis, and the second is fundamental analysis. Technical analysis includes the same research that is done with any and all other financial assets. Fundamental analysis should take into account the susceptibility of the cryptocurrency markets, and the fact they can be manipulated by thought leaders of the industry for their own advantage. Cryptocurrency isn't just Bitcoin. Bitcoin has held the highest value of any cryptocurrency since the beginning. It was also the first digital currency of its kind. As a result, it is rightly thought of as the de facto leader of the pack. However, investors should not allow that fact to obscure other options. There are plenty of other interesting cryptocurrencies at this point that, while not as valuable or well known as Bitcoin, offer similar investment opportunities. A few that you should keep in mind, such as Ethereum, Ripple, Dash, IOTA, and Bitcoin Cash, among others. None are definitively better or worse than the others, but a thorough investor should consider all options. You don't have to own cryptos. Most investors look at the cryptocurrency market and see investment as a straightforward practice, purchasing coins, or percentages of them, holding them, and selling them for a profit down the road. This may be the primary means of cryptocurrency investment, but it's also not the only way. These days, it's also possible to invest via cryptocurrency CFDs, or contracts for difference. To state it concisely though, a CFD is essentially a contract predicting an upward or downward shift in value for a given commodity over time. Rather than owning the commodity, an investor places money on the idea of its value increasing or decreasing. This allows some crypto investors to profit off of both gains and losses, and also enables trading at all hours, any day of the week. That's it for how to trade cryptocurrencies for beginners. And now, what is the easiest, most effective way to make money trading cryptocurrencies? The easiest way to make money is to trade cryptocurrencies at an online platform, in the following unique way. First, you find out what the most successful traders are doing. Then you copy their trades, while riding on their success. But how can we know what the successful traders are doing? Well, there are a few online platforms that will allow you to see exactly what the most successful traders are doing. This method of trading is very simple and easy, even 10 years old can do it. To see how you can take full advantage of this profitable method, while avoiding the common mistakes, simply follow the link in the description, that is below this video.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video,